Well, I got half the wall back up to the line, and poles plumb. Had left my layout boards up for some reason. Glad I did. So I just hooked my line back up, separated at the doorway here. This half's still laying on the tractor. Did things a little different when I laid it back out here. Stood it up, dug beside the poles, scooched them back and forth till I got them back down on the bottom of the hole there. No cookies under here. Just this part of the country, you just dig down to solid limestone, and then you bring your fill in for your 42 inches. But scooted them around till I got them on bottom. Braced them up a lot better this time. Braced both sides. Metal stakes. Then I'm going to bring in some gravel and pack around these poles. That sand wasn't very tight. Bottom board of the board there, that's my ground level. So I'll bring gravel in around the poles, and I'll bring sand in up to my board. But I think it'll stay up this time. Well, stakes just split. Old used 2x4s I had used for stakes. Some of them popped out of the ground. Some of them broke. And some of them never were in far enough. Anyway, lesson learned. Over brace everything.